Hi, Busker909 here. I had a request to do Rocket Man. So this is how to strum along with Rocket Man. In the key of G minor, basically. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. So I'll take you through some of the chords, and then I have included in this video a play along tab, which I will play along with so you can see me do it, and then I will repeat it so you can play along with it without my help and just do your own thing with it. As a matter of fact, if you email me, I should be able to send you a MIDI file of the tab itself without me playing, so you can just jam with it yourself. So it starts off with basically a verse, and it starts off with a G minor chord, G minor 7th. Open 3-3. Then the next chord is C7, 5-5-3. Now the rhythm that I've written into the tab is sort of a compromise. If you're just starting, you can play the song as simply as 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually many parts of the songs are strummed that way. Or you can fancy it up. I did it basically 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, like that. That's a little 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can even add a little tag to that if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's what's actually I wrote into the tab there. Either way. So anyway, G minor 7th, C7. Do that again. Now we go up here to E flat. Just hit it twice. And actually, if you want, if you've been playing for a while, you can hit this D note just before the E flat, so it would sound like this. And this is B flat, and I'm calling it B flat over D because this is a D note to differentiate it from a B flat we play later on. And then C minor, and then C minor over G. If you can do this, that's great, but I wrote it in like this. 3-5-5, which is much easier. And then it goes to an inverted F. Let me play that for you. Okay, so it does all that again. And then when you get to the F, you do the same rhythm. And on the second time you do that rhythm. That's just a passing chord to get you to the chorus. And I think I called it G minor sharp 5. It could be called a lot of things. I just thought it was cool to call it something like that. Technically it is one, or a part of one anyway. So, and then we come to the chorus, which is B flat and E flat, same rhythm. B flat again. And now we start that descending thing that we just did a while ago. E flat twice, B flat over D twice, C major this time, and then back up to E flat, then to B flat, and basically the song just it'll do that chorus again. It'll repeat that, and then it just repeats everything again. You can figure it out from there pretty easy. Nothing really new anywhere in there. So now I'm going to go through it with the play along tab so you see exactly where everything's supposed to go. Okay, so that was the play along tab. Now I'm going to play that tab again just by itself so you can jam with it yourself, and you can use your settings button to speed it up or slow it down, and I'll make a MIDI file of it. And if you wish to email me at busker909@yahoo.com, I'll send you a MIDI file of that, which your computer should be able to play, and you can jam along with it on your own. So have a great day. Hope you have fun with that. Bye.